Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring's online tutorial. This is SSW part number 36. SSW part number 36 connector. It's an alternator connector found on most GM engines. This is the SSW part number 2 terminal and SSW part number 0 seal, 22 gauge wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools to create this harness. Cutters. Crimp tool that can be purchased on our store with an alphabetical index of key condition A, B, C, D, and E for the dies that we're going to be using. And your strippers. First, go ahead and strip off about 1/8 of an inch of wire. Place your seal on the wire. Place your terminal on your wire. Start in D of the die, then go to E. Give it one last squeeze. Then for your seal, go to C, and then go to D. And then for the last finish off piece, crimp it down, 5-pound pull test. Make sure that your lock in the back is up to where it will lock into the connector body. Slide it till you hear it click. Now if you want to remove this terminal, all you have to do is purchase one of our green terminal tools on our store. Turn the connector to the face. There's a little top hat area, like a little square. Place the terminal tool in, press down till you hear it click, remove out the back side. Now to reinstall this again, grab a razor blade, bend the tab up, and reinstall.